Bonjour. Okay. So find a nice comfy seated position. Cross your legs in front of you. Just lengthen the spine so that you can just find a comfortable place. Inhale through the nose. And exhale through the nose. Allow your body to just sink down towards the floor. Breathe in through the nose. Breathe out through the nose. Allow yourself to feel the state of presence in your body. Bring your attention to the rhythm of the breath that you've been creating. By making yourself aware of every inhale and every exhale. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. And start activating your Ujjayi breath. And start warming the body by inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose and just feeling, noticing this air come through your throat. Scratch the back of your throat. You should be listening or hearing an ocean sound as you exhale. Inhaling in. Exhale, release. Inhale. And exhale. Your next inhale, slowly open your eyes. Recognize your space. Lift the hands up and over the head. Breathe. And as we exhale, just lean forward and send your hands all the way forward. Push your butt back towards the floor just to give your spine a nice stretch. And you can wiggle from left to right. Move your hips around, move the spine around. Inhale here. And exhale. Slowly we start coming back up. Inhale the shoulders up, back, and down, and again, up, back, and down. Beautiful. Hold on to your knees and bring your knees into your chest. Let's take a twist here. So hug the knees with your hands, lengthen the spine, lift the left hand up high, inhale. Exhale, take a twist to look over that left shoulder blade. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, twist. Lengthen the left hand up. Inhale. Exhale, come back to center. Same thing, other side. So inhale, lengthen the spine. Lift the right hand up high. exhale, circle the right. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. One more breath in. And exhale, twist. Circle the right hand up and over the head. Inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. So lengthen the right leg forward. Left leg steps outside the right leg. We're going to twist again. So hug that left knee into the chest with your right hand. Spine. Inhale. Lift the left hand up high. And exhale, let's take a twist. Inhale, lengthen. Bring that left knee towards the chest. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. One more breath in. And exhale, twist. Inhale, lift the left hand up and over. And exhale, come all the way forward. Send that right knee inwards. Bring both knees together and you can lean forward. Send your butt down onto the floor. Hold on to your ankles. Lengthen the spine as you inhale. And on the exhale, press the hands down towards the ankles and lean towards your thighs. Breathe in. And exhale, maybe lean deeper. Breathe in. And exhale, maybe lean deeper. Last one, inhale. And exhale, deeper. Inhale, start coming back up. Exhale, release. And we're going to change sides now. So lengthen the right leg, the left leg, and send the right leg over. I'm going to hug the right knee with the left hand, lengthen the spine. Remember to keep that left leg engaged. Right hand goes up, inhale, and exhale, we take a twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. One more, inhale, lengthen. And exhale, twist. Circle the right hand up and over, inhale. Exhale, come back to center. Send that left knee inwards. Bring both knees together, lean forward. Send your butt back. Open your feet nice and wide. Press onto your ankles. Send your right butt cheek down onto the floor. Lengthen the spine. Really feel into the hips. Yeah. Inhale here. And exhale, lean forward. So we're working right away the hips here. So this is a nice hip opener. We really need to open our hips so that we can make ourselves into bird of paradise and back home past pose. Breathe. And one more, inhale. And exhale, lean forward. Slowly come up, inhale. Release the right leg, exhale. And place your feet out to the sides of the mat. So this is kind of like a malasana squat, but we're in a seated position. Hold onto your ankles. Roll your shoulders back, send your chest forward, push your knees out to the side. Really hold on to the ankles. We're like really opening the hips here, so push the knees back and out, externally rotating the hips, but we're sending the chest forward, rolling the shoulders back. Breathe in. And out. Yes, breathe in. Out. One more breath in. And out. Beautiful. So we're going to stay here. Keep your right hand on your right ankle. Make a hook with your two peace fingers on your big thumb, left hand. Yeah. And we're going to make a happy baby here. So basically, we're just going to push the left knee inwards. And push your right hand, press the right hand onto the right ankle as you push the left knee back in the chest. So this is basically a happy baby. We're just holding on to the happy baby with the left leg. Hold. Bring your belly button in and try and bring that knee back. Back. Yeah, really open up. And slowly come back up. Going to switch sides. So make a big, grab your big thumb with your right hand with your two piece fingers. Same thing, hold on to the left ankle. Roll the shoulders back. So we're not opening wide, we're sending the knee back. Roll the shoulders back to the chest. One more breath in. And out. Slowly place the foot down. Now both at the same time. Lift and send the knees back. Yeah, so happy baby. This is a happy baby, but we're not reclined. So breathe in here. And out. Breathe in. Out. One more breath in. And out. Beautiful. Place the feet down. Bring your knees into your chest. Just hug the knees. Forehead towards the knees. Beautiful. So right knee comes down. Right hand is going to grab your left foot. Right hand grabs left foot. We're going to kick that left foot forward. Lengthen the spine as you stretch the left hand back. Just take a twist here. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and really feel into the hamstrings and out. One more breath in and out. And we're going to switch sides now. So grab the left hand, grabs the right foot. We're going to kick that right foot forward as we stretch the right arm back. Breathe in, out. Breathe in, out. One more breath in, and exhale, release. Beautiful. Roll over, all fours. Let's take a few cat-cows here. So inhale, round the spine. Exhale, send the butt back, chest forward. Inhale, round. And exhale. Inhale, round. Exhale. One more inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. Flex the toes here and just make your way into down dog. So get into down dog, wiggle it out, move it around. Bend one knee, then the other. Push the floor away. Lift the right leg up high, inhale. Bend the knee and just open the hip a bit. You're trying to send that right heel towards the butt. Breathe in here. And out. Inhale. Exhale, circle that right knee into the chest and step the right foot outside of your right hand. Yeah. Send the left knee down. Chest forward, drop the hip. And you can stay here, or you can come onto the forearms. And you can also roll onto the outer edge of your right foot and let your right knee drop. Really sink into that hip. Engage the glutes so that you can protect both your hips and your lumbar spine. So press on that butt. Hold on here, breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. One more breath in. And out. So bring your hands back to center. Your knee comes back in as we lengthen the front leg. And send the butt back. We're going to do 4 of these. So inhale, lean forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, lean forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, lean forward. Exhale, back. Last one. Inhale, lean forward. And exhale, back. This time, inhale, lean forward. Flex your back toe and take your back knee off of the floor. And you can stay here, or you can try and come onto your forearms again. Just don't want to sink that knee. So engage that back leg, engage your glutes, engage your thighs. And again, if you want to roll onto the outer edge of your right foot, feel free to. Breathe in here. Out. 2, breathe in. Out. Last one, inhale. And exhale. Slowly come back to center. Walk your right foot inwards. Bring your left foot just a little bit in. Engage the hands towards the floor. Slide your right foot back into downward facing dog. Move it around. And let's take the other side. So lift the left leg up high, inhale. Bend the knee and open the hip. Engage your right quad and try and bring your left heel towards the butt. Breathe in here and out. Inhale. On the exhale, circle your left knee into the chest and step your left foot outside your left hand. Back knee drops. Look forward, inhale. Exhale, come on to your forearms. If you feel like you make the space, you can always roll onto the outer edge of your left foot. Engage your glutes. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. One more breath in. And out. Slowly we come back. Bring that left knee in, lengthen the left leg, send the butt back. Inhale, bend the front knee. Exhale, lean back. Inhale, bend the front knee. Exhale, lean back. Inhale, bend the front knee. And exhale, lean back. In the front knee, inhale. Back knee comes off of the floor, flex the right toes, and you can stay here, or you can come onto the forearms. And you can always roll onto that left outer edge of the left foot. Let your knee drop. Disengage the thighs, engage the glutes. Breathe in. And out. Inhale here. Exhale. Last breath in. And out. Come back to center. Inhale. Walk the left foot inwards. Send your right foot in a bit. Lengthen your front leg, engage your hands down towards the floor, and slide the left leg back. Downward facing dog. So let's do that again. Lift the right leg up high, inhale. Exhale, bend the knee, open the hip. Inhale here. Exhale, circle your right knee and step your right foot outside of your right. Back knee comes down. Inhale, look forward, and we're not going to stay here. Exhale, just lengthen the front leg. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale. Inhale, bend. I actually said that. Exhale, lengthen the front leg. Last one, bend, inhale. And exhale, send it back. Okay, so attention here, bend the front knee. You're going to grab your right ankle with your right hand. You're going to start bringing your right knee towards your right shoulder blade. So just tuck that right shoulder blade in your right knee. Yeah, there you go. And stretch your arms behind you. Yeah, there you go. Breathe in here. And out. And adjust that right knee, and you'll really feel into the hip, the right hip. One more breath in. And out. So flex that back leg. Take the back knee off of the floor. Hold here, breathe in. And out. Breathe in. Out. One more breath in. And out. Slowly walk the hands inside your right foot. And we're going to take a skandasana to the right. So bend that right knee. Sink. Ooh. Really feel into that right hip. And right here, you can send your right hand in front of your right knee as your left hand circles up and over the head. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. One more breath in. And out. Circle the left hand down as we roll over our right knee. We lengthen the front leg. Inhale. Slide the right leg all the way back into downward facing dog. Well done. So same thing, other side. With the left leg, inhale. Exhale, bend the knee, open the hip. Inhale here. Exhale, circle that left knee and step the left foot outside the left hand. Right knee comes down. Inhale here. And exhale here. Inhale, lengthen the front leg. Exhale, bend the front. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale. I'm quite tight today. I don't know about you. Bring your right shoulder blade into the left knee. I'm like, whoa. Walk the hands back and really sink into that hip. Always find the deeper adjustment. Just really feel into it. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. Out. One more breath in. And out. Flex the back foot. Take the right knee off of the floor. Breathe in here. Exhale. Breathe in for 2. Exhale. Breathe in for 3. And exhale, walk the hands inside the left foot, and let's take Skandasana to the left. Well done. And again, you can send that left hand in front of your left knee, right hand can come up. Breathe in here. Out. Inhale for 2. Exhale. Inhale for 3. And exhale. Circle all the way to the left. Lift the back heel, lengthen the front leg. Inhale. Exhale. Slide it back to downward facing dog. Bend one knee and bend the other knee. Beautiful. Lift the right leg up high. Inhale. Bend the knee and open the hip. Inhale here again. Exhale, circle your right knee and step the right foot outside the right leg. Yeah, so this time we're not placing the knee down onto the floor. So walk your hands inside your right leg. And you can stretch the arms back, or the challenge here now is to take a bind. So the right hand comes underneath the right thigh as the left hand circles and grabs your hand. Yes. And engage that back heel, that back leg. So drop the hip, but bring the back heel towards the toes. Breathe in here. And out. Breathe in. And out. One more breath in. And out. Release the bind. Right hand comes outside your right foot. You bring your right foot in. Lengthen the front leg. Inhale. Exhale, bend your front knee, look forward. Inhale, bend. Exhale. Bend now, look forward. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bend. Look forward. Last one, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bend your front knee. As you lengthen your hands forward, take a deep breath in. Send your weight onto the right foot. Inhale. Exhale, let's fly. Standing split. Breathe in here. And out. Breathe in. And out. One more breath in. And out. Bend your right knee as you start lifting your upper body, bringing your right knee into the chest. Your left knee into the chest. Grab your left foot with your right hand. So we've done this seated. We're doing it standing now. Kick the left foot and extend your left hand back. Take a twist. Inhale here. And out. Inhale. Exhale, one more breath in. Release the foot, keep your twist in the hands. Circle that left foot back. Bend your right knee as you slide and step that left foot all the way back into warrior 2. Breathe in here. And out. Externally rotate the hips and really adjust to your warrior. Beautiful. Breathe in here. Utthita Parsvakonasana. Exhale, right hand can come onto the right knee or come down onto the floor. Circle the left hand up and over. Breathe in here. And out. Circle the left hand behind you and take a bind. Right hand comes under the right thigh and bind. Find space here by that. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. One more breath in. And out, release. Come back up, inhale, warrior two. Exhale here. Trikonasana, lengthen the front leg, inhale, lean forward. Exhale, right hand comes all the way down as left hand slides up and over. Breathe in. Out. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath in. And slowly, left hand circles all the way down. Yes, right hand circles outside the right foot as we lift the left heel. Inhale, look up. And exhale, slide back into downward facing dog. Yes, and let's do that onto the other side. Lift the left leg, inhale. Exhale, bend the knee, open the hip. Inhale here. Exhale, circle the left foot outside the left leg. Beautiful. Step it outside. Yes. Seek the hip. Look forward, inhale. Exhale, send your left elbow, short shoulder under that left knee. And we're going to take a bind here. So bind. Breathe in. And out, engage the back leg. Seek the hip, but don't let it drop. Engage the thigh. One more breath in. And out. Release. Left hand comes outside the left foot as you walk the left foot inwards. Lengthen the front leg. Inhale. Exhale, bend the front knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bend the front knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bend the front knee. Swing your arms forward, breathe in. Send your weight onto your left thigh. Exhale, fly. Breathe in here. Out. Breathe in for two. Out. Breathe in for three. And out. Start bringing your right knee into the chest. Grab your right foot with your left hand and let's take that twist. So kick the right leg forward. The right hand goes back. Breathe in. And out. Well done. Breathe in. Out. One more breath in. Release. Circle that right foot back, bring the front knee, step back, find your warrior two stance and adjust. Breathe in here, engage the glute. Externally rotate the hip. And out. Inhale. Exhale, one more breath in. Exhale, Utthita Parsvakonasana, left hand comes down, right hand up and over. And take the full bind, go right away for it. Yes. Breathe in here. Out. Breathe in. Out. One more breath in. Exhale, release. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale here. Lengthen the front leg. Inhale, lean forward. Exhale. Trikonasana. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale two. Exhale. Inhale three. Exhale, circle the right hand down. Left hand outside, left foot, lift the back heel. Inhale, push the floor away. Exhale, slide the left foot back to downward facing dog. So we're going to do the exact same thing, but this time we're just going to start adding our peak poses into it. Lift the right leg up, inhale. One breath, one movement. Bend the knee, open the hip. Exhale. Inhale here. Exhale, circle the knee and step the foot outside the right leg. Yes. Inhale here. Exhale, bring that right knee over the right shoulder blade. Take a bind. Breathe in here. And out. Breathe in. And out. One more breath in. Exhale, release. Right hand outside right foot as right foot steps forward. Lengthen the front leg, inhale. Exhale, bend the front knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bend. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bend, stretch your arms forward, breathe in. Exhale, fly. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, one more breath in. Exhale, bend the knee. Inhale, left knee into the chest. Hold on to that left foot with the right hand. Kick it forward. Inhale here. Exhale, maybe you'll find a bit more length than the last round. Inhale. Exhale, last breath in. Release the hands. Circle the left foot back, bend the front knee. Warrior two. Inhale. Exhale here. Inhale. Exhale. Utthita Parsvottanasana. Circle the left hand up and over. Bring it all the way behind you. Find your bind. Yes. Beautiful. Now look down. Inhale. We're going to start walking the left foot forward, all the way to the front of the mat. Beautiful. Once you get to the front of the mat, send your weight over to your left foot, lift your right heel, and start lifting your right leg. There you go. Beautiful. Find balance. And this is good enough. So just work on your balance here and opening that hip. Yeah, there you go, Martha. There you go. And adjust here. Just find stability here. And if you want to play with it, just try and lift the right leg. I don't expect you to find a straight line or anything. Just work through it. Feel the hamstrings, feel the thighs. Whoop, whoop. Slowly, you come back down. So just try and keep the hook. So hook that right hand under your right leg, yeah. I'm going to step the left foot back. Like your warrior two stance. Step that left foot back, yeah. Release the hand. Lift the left hand up high, inhale. Exhale here. Inhale, come up, warrior two. Exhale. Inhale, lengthen the front knee, lean forward. Exhale, take 3 Konasana. Inhale here. And exhale here. Circle the left hand up and over the head. Inhale. Start lifting the back heel as you walk your right hand outside the right foot. Inhale here. Exhale, slide it back into down dog. Breathe in. Left leg comes up. Inhale. Exhale, bend the knee, open the hip. Inhale here. Exhale, circle and step the left foot outside the left hand. Inhale here. Exhale, left knee, left shoulder blade. Take the bind. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. One more breath in. Exhale, release. Left foot comes inwards, inhale. Exhale here, look forward, inhale. And exhale. On your next inhale, lengthen the front leg. Exhale, bend your front knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale. One more inhale, lengthen. Exhale. Look forward, stretch your arms forward. Breathe in. Send your weight onto your left leg. Inhale, exhale, slide. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale for 2. Exhale, last breath in. And exhale, bend the left knee, start bringing your right knee into the chest. Hold on to your right foot with your left hand. Keep that right arm back. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. One more breath in. Exhale, release. Bend the left knee as you slide the right foot back. Find your warrior 2. Perfect. Breathe in here. And out. Inhale. Exhale. Circle the right hand up and over. Take your full bind. Interlace the hands inside your left thigh. Beautiful. Look down. Breathe in. And step or walk your way all the way to the front of the mat. Send your weight onto your right foot, lift your left heel. Slowly start coming up. Yes. Yes, and from here, just play with it. Breathe. Take 3 breaths. Inhale for 2. Exhale, last one. Inhale for 3, and exhale. Slowly, we start coming down. Keep the mind. Beautiful. Send the weight over to the left foot, step the right foot all the way back. Breathe in. Exhale, release. Inhale, come up, warrior 2. Exhale here. Inhale, lengthen, lean forward. Exhale, Vinyasa. Inhale here. And exhale. Circle the right hand up and over the head. Bring the right hand down onto the floor. Lift the right heel. Left hand outside, left foot. Inhale. Exhale, slide it back. Downward facing dog. Take your vinyasa, lean forward, inhale. Exhale, take chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, take child's pose. Woo. Take a rest. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. One more breath in. Out. Slowly we begin to unroll and sit onto our hips, our heels. Beautiful. Send your right butt cheek down onto the floor and let's sit. We're going to play with compass pose. So left knee is bent as we hug the right foot into our chest. So the right foot inside your left elbow, right knee inside left, right elbow, and just rock it. Yeah, rock it, give it a rock. Beautiful. So from here, we're going to hold on to the outer edge of our right foot with our left hand. So left hand, outer edge of right foot. From the inside, yes. Beautiful. Now we're going to bring that right knee on our right shoulder. So lift and bring it on the shoulder. Yeah, there you go. Just adjust, just adjust. Swing the right hand out. And slowly we're going to start trying to lengthen the right leg. Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, Mata. There you go. Start lifting, kicking the leg up. And we start to create an external rotation with the left shoulder. So through the left side. Yes, my girl. And start lengthening the leg. And you should really feel that right leg. Shake it out. It's normal. Yes, yes, Mata. Keep going, my girl. Keep stretching. You'll find that space. Yeah, just lift your neck a bit. Yes, one more breath in. Slowly we come down. You got it, girl. It's just a matter of stretching that leg even deeper. Saw how much work we had to do in the hamstrings and in the hips to actually get ourselves here, right? So let's do that on the other side. So hug that left leg. That was really good. Congratulations. And just wiggle from side to side. Just to release the hip, actually. And same thing here. Right hand is going to grab the left foot from on top. Yes. Left hand is going to come under and left knee over left shoulder. Yeah. Beautiful. Just lengthen the left hand to the side. And slowly we start kicking the left foot. Yeah, stretching that leg. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Externally rotating the right shoulder blade and look over. Yes. Now all you have to do is just keep stretching that leg and you should really feel into the hamstring. Breathe in. Yes, Michael, that's it. And out. Yes. Kick the foot into the hand and the hand into the foot. Find more space. Breathe in. And out. One more breath in. And slowly come back. Well done, that was great. Slowly release. Woo-hoo! Give it a wiggle. Let's take Paschimottanasana before we drop down. So plug your knees into your chest, make a hook with your two peace fingers. Lengthen, inhale. And exhale, stretch the legs out. Breathe in, lengthen. Exhale, stretch the legs out. And breathe in, lengthen. Exhale, stretch. And let's stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly we come all the way up. Inhale. Navasana. That was really good. Take your Navasana, babe. All the way into your Shavasana. Yes, make it worth it. And come down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. Allow yourself to just feel. Feel all the feels. very, very slowly start making your way back to the breath. Feel the air as it comes in. Notice the air as it comes out. Move your fingers, move your toes. Stretch your arms up and over your head. Hug your knees into your chest. Roll from side to side and give your lower back a little massage. Slowly roll over to the right. And gently make your way back up into a seated position. Bring your palms together into your heart center. Together we chant the mantra Om. Inhale. Bring your hands into your third eye center. Bow down to the divine that lies within you. Namaste. Thank you, my girl. You rocked it. That was really good.